particularly against India?
I think Pakistan, जो government है या PCB है, they're all damaging their own cricket. It's not going to solve their problems. Someone has to be there to think right, you know. They are not thinking right at the moment, you know. They want to support Bangladesh. You keep on supporting Bangladesh. That's not our business. But end of the day, who suffers? Bangladesh is going to suffer, and you going to suffer because you hardly got only two votes, you know. 12 other countries, they don't want to play with Bangladesh in Bangladesh, some other venues. They want to play in India. So that's the thing, you know.
So now government Pakistan cricket and Bangladesh cricket because unnecessarily because they were playing the World Cup unnecessarily, and Pakistan is just trying to show support to Bangladesh.
Yeah, let them support Bangladesh. You know, like why they're damaging the World Cup. But I don't think there is. The main thing is New Zealand, England, South Africa, Australia. They are the biggest country for the cricket, you know, and they're going to get the crowds, you know. They're going to get all the sponsorship. They're going to all the broadcaster will be very, very, very happy. So that's the thing, you know. But definitely, I think you know, if they're doing like this, they're not doing the right thing, and damaging their own cricket. Without money, you can't run the.
तो हिंदुस्तान को ही खेलने की उनके साथ जरूरत आ रही है भाई. अब ये तो बीसीसीआई को इनको सोचना चाहिए ना कि देश के सम्मान के साथ समझौता ना करें. बांग्लादेश का खिलाड़ी ले लिया तो हंगामा था वो, और ये पाकिस्तान के साथ क्या है? पाकिस्तानियों के साथ क्यों मैच खेलना चाहते हो भाई? हमें तो नहीं खेलना चाहिए. हम तो पहले दिन मना करा था, तब भी कहा था, अब भी कह रहे हैं. पाकिस्तानी धूर्त लोग हैं, इनके साथ कोई रिश्ता नहीं रखना चाहिए.
क्या करना चाहिए अब इंडिया को आपके हिसाब से?
पहले मना करना चाहिए था. हमें पहले ही कह देना चाहिए क्लियर एकदम.
We all know that there are people who does politics on cricket, and there are this kind of politics happens with the game of cricket for a long time, and it is the boards which should decide, and the countries in that situation which government should also react. There was a time when Operation Sindoor was happening. In that time there was a huge opinion that there should not be any kind of game between the both countries because both the countries were at confrontation. Therefore, it is a very important thing that if we want to escalate and we want to keep these kind of tensions across the two countries, the normalization of relations won't be that smooth as we expect. I hope that the government of India will take a right call.